Do you want to make $35 per hour just by searching on the Google? And also you're going to get all these benefits if you are going to work with this company right now. So you can actually work from home and you can work on your schedule as well. There is no boss who is going to tell you, hey, you have to work like from 10 to 5 or 11 to 9, whatever it is. You can set your own schedule because there is no boss in front of you. Okay, so also you can simply just choose on how many hours do you want to work every single day. There is no foundation on you. And also you can choose how many jobs do you want to do every single day. That's again going to be your choice. So these are some of the benefits along with $35 per hour Google searching job. Before I'm going to share with you the company that I'm going to share with you, which is going to pay $35 per hour, let me show you with which companies that company is actually working. So you can see it is working with Deloitte, HP, Bloomberg, P&G, Johnson & Johnson, VR Social, and many other big brands. So this shows that this company is not a scam. Not a scam. Okay, so now we are let me also show you some of the reviews of some of the people working with this company. I love working for Wonder because it allows me to do professional, interesting, engaging work on my schedule, which as a stay-at-home mom is priceless. The pay is good, the leadership is fantastic, I learn something new every time I sign on. And the second review is, so far in my journey as a researcher, I have learned about the fitness culture in China, how to price, etc, etc. There is no 2 days are ever the same. Okay, and there is a third one. We are going to see what I love about working as a researcher for Wonder is incredibly variety of topics. There is rarely a day that I don't learn something new, and also there is flexibility of working much or as little as I want on the days and hours. So now what kind of the job are you going to do on this website in order to get paid? So basically it's a simple company that other companies like P&G and all these companies are going to come to this company and they are going to tell him, hey, just give me this kind of information, and they are going to pass that order to you guys. They are going to pass that project to you, and you have to search on Google and figure all those out. For example, there are some of the easy research example of research, like I need information on college and university in the US, or whatever it is. How many gyms in the US provide equipment for boxing? Please provide demographic statistics, etc, etc. How much time does the average person spend browsing Netflix before watching? Okay, so these are the kind of questions, like who are the 5 top major competitors in the known chocolate candy industry, stuff like that. You are going to find these kind of questions, like who should I draft this year for my fantasy football team. So these are the kind of questions that you need to figure out over here. So now what is it's the time over here how you are going to do the stuff over here to actually start making money. So first of all, you are going to simply just come on the website called askwonder.com, and there you just simply need to come over here and just click on become an analyst, and you are going to see a page like this. Okay, so there is nothing crazy you need. All you need is a PayPal account and an email address, and boom, you can actually start making money with this website. Okay, so when you are going to click on become an analyst, you are going to simply just come over here, add your name, email, etc, password, all these things, and just create your account. Okay, so after that, they are going to, whenever they are going to get any of the project, you are going to get those project, and they are also going to tell you the pay in advance. Okay, so for example, the work that you need to do is going to be like explaining a trend. For example, like the World Cup was going on, so about the World Cup, or maybe the statistics, like how many people are uneducated in the world, etc, etc, or like determine the size of market. For example, the what is the size of the liquor market, etc, etc, and like recommending a product. For example, someone is finding like what is the best product for losing weight, so you need to search for that, etc, etc. So here are the 4 steps you need to follow over here to work over here. Like visit the new research dashboard. As soon as you are going to sign up, when you will be accepted, you need to visit the dashboard and start when you want to work, and thereafter they are going to give you a request to work on a task, and then you just simply need to find the answers on the Google and just submit the work, and that's all they are going to pay you. So now how are you going to get paid? Well, this company pays via PayPal, and this company pays like from $15 to $35. Okay, and also I was looking for some of the reviews of this company, I found like this company pay like from $30 per hour, from $8 to like $35. And there was also one of more review on the Reddit somewhere where it was given like from $15 to $35. So it all depends on what kind of question is, whether it's hard or it's easy. So you can expect like from $10 to $35. Okay, so I found a review on the Reddit. This guy is saying that this guy don't recommend the website, but let me tell you that there is no website in this world where you cannot find a negative review. Okay, so I don't find I only find one negative review. That's why I'm going to share this website with you. And also there are a lot of people that have made a video on this website, and there in the comments of those videos people are getting payments. So that's why I just created a video on this. And also I just looked for the review on the Glassdoor. Yeah, you are going to work as a for a remote job, but that does not matter. If the internal management is not good, then probably you are going to suck in the work. You will not be able to make money. But I have found that all of the reviews are really good. There is no negative point I have found in this company. So it's a really good company, and this company is paying on the time, which is really good. And if you believe that this is going to help you, then make sure to just check out this website and just start making money with this website. And also make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in another video with a really crazy video.